So my client came in with washed out magenta and she wants to be blonde. Now, what on earth? And her hair's not really in that great of a shape, but I'm going to try my best. And I'm trying to remove the magenta as much as I can I'm not touching her new growth or anything. And this is as light as it will go. And I have to rinse it off. I'm going to have to just work with what I have here. I mean, really, how can I work with this? But you know what? Go to the color wheel and guess what? Green cancels out red, right? So on the new growth, I used a 5A, and while the color's still on her new growth, I mix 7A and green. Green cancels out red, and it's turning purple. Like, what in color wheel world is happening here? Like, this is mind-blowing to me too. It's scary, but don't worry about it. This was like magic before my eyes as well. And boom! Oh my God!